Hey, to install iOS theme on the POCO F6 Pro, all you have to do is just open settings. I mean, we have to go into the Google Play Store for sure. Then click on the search and input this phrase, iOS launcher. And I can highly recommend you to get the launcher iOS 18. There we go. From Lutin Developer, click on the install. And now all you have to do is just wait for a few seconds until the download will be finished. Now we can open it. And it will actually apply everything automatically. So we just have to accept all of these permissions. And now when you go back, as you can see, we still got this classic POCO launcher, but we have to go to the settings, then open apps. We have to move for the default apps. And now we have to go into the launcher. Okay, I just go in the wrong direction. We should go here, other settings, default apps, go for the launcher and switch for the launcher iOS 18. And now, as you can see, after a few clicks, we've got this iPhone theme on the POCO F6 Pro. And you can also get some other options, like for example the control center. If you go into this launcher and download, for example, the control center right here.
Technical problem. The post, it hasn't dropped down.
You just need additional application to get this, and you can get it from the Play Store. And you can also adjust here a lot of other options, like you can change icon name, change name of the library, change animation, blur effects. So I can highly recommend you to take advantage of the application and just customize it like you want. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.